Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. Oiamenne makes a beautiful wedge here. I have been loving this shoe and wearing it in the hot summers. This stunning bow in the front is made with this pleated material. It's very soft yet very sturdy. I really like the way that the end is cut off here, and it adds some extra texture and style to the shoe. This wedge for me is the perfect height. It's not too tall, and I also like how the front has a nice lift to it as well. It has a patent leather here in the front, and this wedge is very comfortable. I've never actually worn a wedge that moves with my foot as much as this does. It has really comfortable insoles here and really comfortable in the front as well. These are a size 7, and I wear a true size 7. They're not too big, they're not too small. They fit my foot perfectly. And these are great for any occasion. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. I really enjoy this espadrille style shoe, and also the way that the strap crosses in the back. It does have your adjustable strap here with multiple holes to fit your ankle. It has great arch support, and I really can't say enough good things about it. I'm really impressed at the quality. If you're looking for a new summer shoe or a shoe that you can wear all year round, that you can dress up, dress down, and really just add to your collection, your wardrobe, and have this beautiful knot here, this bow in the front, then I would highly recommend these. But that's just my point of view.